Plotting technique, which is useful for extracting and separating the gene. This is the DNA, and this we can extract from Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. We inject into this plant. This is the micro injection. This is the micro injection technique. By this technique, we are injecting the BT gene into the brinjal plant. After few days, the BT gene spread into all over the plant. When the insect eat this plant, it may be filled with leaf or roots. The BT gene cuts all into small pieces of the guts and digestive parts of the insect traits. And this technique is very much useful for farmers. So farmers no need to use chemicals, and finally farmers can get good quality of crops. Under the guidance of the Rajesh and along with my friend Akshay Harisa, my project name is Industry of Pollution Capturing. These are the chemical factories. These factories releases the harmful gases into the atmosphere, and also it affects to the plants, and also which is mainly in crops, and also affects on the animals. This is the affected area by industrial pollution. This is here we created a new machine which is called the pollution capturing technique. This technique is useful for the agriculture. To this process we used to in cement and or road preparation. This process is kindly used by farmers. To this process, so many factories are used. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mera Anand. This project is did under the guidance of Rajesh sir and my friend Martini. My project name is Seed Selection Formation. In this project, we are selecting quality seeds and sowing into the soil. First, we prepare glass of water. Just observe, some seeds will sink in the water and some seeds will float in the water. This is concluded as quality seeds and this is concluded as less quality seeds. We are sowed into the soil. The quality seeds in one side and the less quality seeds in other side. The quality seeds grown very well and the less quality seeds well developed. So seed selection is very important before sowing the soil. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shivansha. I am studying 9th standard. My project under the guidance of Rajesh sir, me along with my friend Nikita. My project name is Innovative Agriculture. From this project, we are showing what is essential for the growth and development. For this, we get water, plants crop in 3 stages. This is the first stage. In this, we given sufficient of water to the plants. We got good yield and good growth and development. This is the second stage. In this stage we given medium of water to the plants. We observed medium growth and development. This in the last stage we get very little amount of water to the plants. We observed very less growth and development. Thank you, sir. This is about my project. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Narsha. I am studying 9th standard. I am 9th standard. And is my project under the guidance of Rajesh sir. My project name is Kisan Aqua Hydro Farming. In one place we are using the methods of down traditional farming and upward side aqua farming and hydroponic farming. In down we are cultivating the heavy crops. Upside we are growing the fishes and plants. This is called aqua farming. Beside the growing plants we are using vegetable plants and pipes. This is called hydroponic farming. So very useful farmers and who are having very less land space for that with farmers. This is about my project. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sesnia. Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sesnia Ambali. I am from 8th standard. My project name is Space Agritech. Space Agritech, which means we are growing the crops in other planets like Moon, Mars, etc. Moon, Mars. Organisms can live in other planets like Moon, Mars, etc. because there is no oxygen. So it is very important. So it is very difficult to live and grow the crops. So that's why we created artificial environmental condition in space and other planets. And here in my project there is no need to get water from the earth. We just we are bring oxygen and hydrogen by gases. By combining these two gases, we created artificial water and slowly we increases this technology in space. But in future we may live in space also. Thank you, sir.
It is myself. My name is Jeeta. I did this project under the guidance of Karnataka. My project name is Swachh Bharat. Swachh means cleanliness, Bharat means India. Swachh Bharat means clean India. The goal of Swachh Bharat is to achieve cleanliness, to fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's vision. It is launched by Honorable Prime Minister of Shri Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014. Is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. This industry causes pollution. To reduce pollution, try to grow more plants. To keep our surroundings clean. This is Krishi Vidya Kendra. The goal of Krishi Vidya Kendra is to bring science and technology to farmers. Krishi Vidya Kendra means Farm Science Center. This is Agro Seeds, a private limited company. This is water and soil testing lab. Overall, green dustbin indicates net or organic waste. This is contains net or organic waste. This is biodegradable waste. And this blue dustbin contains dry or recyclable waste. This is non-biodegradable waste. It can be reused or recycled. This red dustbin contains hazardous substances like syringes and broken bulb pieces. We use these dustbins to maintain cleanness and composting, preventing diseases from containing germs. Today my topic is smart agriculture. I divided the topic into 3 steps to understand in an easy way. First, it is useful for farmers. It works in the solar panels and reduce the electricity. The farmer did not pay any money to government for electricity. It works for farmers and did not allow the animals. It allows the animals. It's useful for farmers in a very way. The greenhouse helps us to farmers for protecting the plants from insecticides, pesticides, and another bacteria. Thank you, sir.
Today priorities food grains, the harvesting seeds, areas, tractors, foods, crops. Examples is this wheat, corn, seeds from any food crops. Example Greek wheats. This is
Let me introduce myself. My name is Raj. I am in the class under the guidance of Krishna Murthy sir. My passion name is management is the scientific management of farm animals for products like meat and labor. Scientific management of farm animals is known as animal husbandry. Improvements of the input cost, reduction of the input cost. They provide food provide like milk and wool leather.
Good morning to everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sivanisha and I am from AP. Today's my project name is organic farming. Organic farming is a historical that we reach to agriculture farming. That the farming is very useful to us. The farmers are used like manure, artificial fertilizers to avoid the synthesis pesticides, fertilizers, and genetically microorganisms. The natural fertilizers and compost materials like manure and green moss. The manure is very useful to farm the vegetables like carrot, radish, like carrot and radish. We use the things in project is black soil, sand, cowshed, and vegetable farming is very useful. But instead of using cowshed, suggested and irrigated farming. Thank you all. Have a nice
eye movement and interaction and problem statements, local problem, that drivers accidents causes significant accidents involving facilities and injuries to develop infective causes that detects details to alert the driver to ensure safety. the water moves around the earth and it is a journey of water. This is called water cycle. There are main four steps. They are evaporation, condensation, and precipitation collection. First, evaporation. Evaporation is a process. The sun needs of water from oceans, rivers, seas, etc. or turns to form water vapor. Condensation. Condensation is the process of water vapor cools to form clouds. Condensation is the process of water vapor cools to form clouds. Precipitation. When clouds become heavy, the water falls down as a process of slow rain or hail. And collection. It is a water and the oceans like. This process happens again and again. It helps the rain falling and it helps water balance.
Hydroponics is a technique of growing plants, usually crops without soil. In this process, plants are grown plants. This is water nutritionally. Research suggests the plants are grown nutritionally. Pesticides and pesticides. This is plants. Research suggests the plants are grown.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ishan. The project name is integrated farming. First, what is an integrated farming? This system combines multiple different factors like crops, livestock, where waste becomes valuable for another, minimizing waste and maximizing resources. What are the benefits of the integrated farming system? Improve production and income, enhance biodiversity and crop production, increase in cost addressability. Next, what are the components of integrated farming system? Components may include crops, livestock, crops like food grains, fishes like livestock means animal species, agroforestry means trees, shrubs, etc. These are the examples of crops, livestock, food is storage. Food is storage seeds like grains, wheat, pulse, and another grains includes vegetables, seeds, sunflower, and finally I would like to say farmers get income and production of food. My project name is rainwater harvesting. My guidance Rajesh sir. The rainwater harvesting is a technology used to collecting and storing the rainwater by rooftops. The land surface also using simple complex like pots, jars, ponds and jars, etc. As well as wells. Well more complex like this. Just like the rainwater is flowing, storing the well. Rainwater harvesting is the occupation and disposition of rainwater to use on-set underground water. Users of rainwater, rechanging the underground water, drinking purpose, irrigation purpose, livestock, gardening, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Swami. The college name is irrigation. The supply of water crops near the variety of fruits. In this system is water from drop by drop. Do not waste water or it is region where availability of water. Water is good.
Good afternoon, sir. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Isma Srikanth. I am from IITM. And my project is purification of water under the effects of water. The water is a purification. Water purification is a critical process to under the water, and it is the water harmful contaminants like bacteria, virus, harmful chemical and chemically. Its functional human consumption by physically fluoridation and its primarily human consumption by physical fluorinization and chlorinization and chemically used for fluorinization and fluorinization. That's a process of water purification and biological method of UV treatments and is improved to purify and safely to drink our water. In our daily life, dirty water is changed into fresh water. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself is Shivani. I'm from 9th grade. My project is solar irrigation system under the guidance of Krishnamurthy sir. In this solar irrigation system, the solar panel gets the energy from sun and the solar energy converted into electrical energy. The electrical energy transfers from the wires to the water motor, and the water motor gets the water from the well and transfers through the pipes to all the crops. It has no other electricities and no diesels are used. It is safe for nature and saves money also. In most of the villages there is an insufficient electricity. For that, this is the best process for cultivating the land. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Anshita from 9th Bar. Today's my project is about integrated farming. Integrated farming is a sustainable system which combines crop, fish, trees and livestock. It also combines diverse farm activities into synergetic farm activities. This higher productivity increased for yield per unit of land, less income, less used for expensive external fertilizers and chemicals. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I'm Sumana. I'm from 9th grade. I'm presenting my project titled Water and Water Devices in Agriculture. This project is made about the fertilization of farmer in a simple way. When a farmer sells crop, the money is spent on fees, water, transport, and money is spent on house petrol facilities and road maintenance. Because of this, the farmer is very limited. Crop fertilizer and crop fertilization and variable and man-made
Good afternoon, sir. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying 9th standard. My project name is Pathology Lab. My project name is organic farming. Organic farming is a way of growing crops without chemicals. Organic farming is natural fertilizers like cow dung and soil plus earthworms and compost and manure. Inorganic farming have chemicals. Organic farming is not chemicals. Organic farming have a lot of chemicals. Inorganic farming have chemicals. Organic farm is a biodiversity with different plants and animals together. It good for the environmental. It reduces the pollution. Thank you.
Today's my project name is organic farming. Farmer shows using this aeroplane system preparing the soil for planting crop. Event structure is central to the model featuring a backward extraction system connected with irrigation to water the cultivated land. Once a crop is already cultivated with small green crops representing a healthy farm field. A small simple house representing with a thatched roof included representing a farmer's table or farm building. The further is set including plants and suggesting a tropical or subtropical environment. Thank you.
Well, teacher name is Arman. The project name is Types of Irrigation. Irrigation is water. Irrigation is watering the crop by using canals, lakes and other materials. Irrigations are divided into two methods, traditional method and modern method. Traditional method is the oldest method that can be using for canals and other types of methods to using for supplying water. Traditional method also divided into surface and subsurface irrigation. Surface irrigation means supplying water to using without any modern methods and using for water like canals and other types. Subsurface irrigation is where watering from crops using very less and water for very useful. Modern method. Modern method is the newest method, advanced technique way to supplying water to crops. Modern method also divided into two methods, drip and sprinkle method. Drip system. Water is directly to roots by drop to crops. This is called drip system. Sprinkle system. Sprinkle system is like draining the crops with sprinkle system. Thank you.
Today, my name is Sri Hema Samsa and I am studying 8th class. Today's project is balanced diet. Nutrition is healthy food. Nutrition is balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Balanced diet that contains all the nutrients. There are vitamins, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, and they are right amount. Balanced diet pure contained fruits, grains, cereals and pulses, vegetables, growth activity, etc. Culture is a balance between developing and dietary products, and etc. We would like to transfer your
Standard. My project name is difference between organic and inorganic farming, chemical farming and organic farming, different methods of chemical farming synthesized by pesticides, chemicals and genetically modified seeds to produce crop production quickly. It harms the crop environment by polluting soil, air and water, and natural organic farming relies on the natural methods of moisture products and crop protection. We produce biodiversity, protect food health, we protect food safe and we protect
Good morning, sir. My name is Natalie. I am from 8th standard.
manure, compost, crop rotation, and biological waste control to keep the soil healthy and food safe. Farmers use cow dung, green manure, and neem spray in organic farming. Methods of organic farming: composting, crop rotation, natural waste control. Examples of organic farming: rice, wheat, fruits, vegetables, pulses. Advantages of organic farming: rice. Advantages of organic farming: healthy and chemical-free food, environment friendly, safe for farmers and animals, no pollution. Disadvantages of organic farming: more time required, less production at first, needs more care. Organic food is more expensive. Organic farming is good our health and environment. It protects nature and gives us safe food. We should promote organic farming. Thank you. My name is Yamma Sharatna and my friend is Kartika. Today's topic is source of water. Water is one of the important natural resources. All living beings, humans, animals, and plants need water to survive. Natural sources: river, Nile, dam, rain. Man-made sources: river, well, hand pump, water tank. These sources provide us water for drinking, cleaning, farming, and other activities. Thank you, sir.
I'm from Mangalore. Today my topic is to protect farmers from contamination. After harvesting, farmers slept and sleep in the field because to protect the field. After sleeping, some poisonous creatures will roach to search food. In this case, the snakes will trying to climb the cart, or in chance it may bite him. So I made a pot to contact the battery. Then when snakes try to climb the cart, the buzzer will go. So so it is our responsibility to protect the farmers from poison creatures. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you, sir.
My name is Syed Mufid Abbas. My guidance teacher name is Padmavati Madam. My project name is crop protecting system. When the plants protect the copper whites and for animals come here. The sound is come. Farmers is elect and remove these animals and protect the trees. This is my project. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Divyanka. He is my friend Vasudha. We are from students. My guide teacher is Madhuri and we are from Chittoor district. Our topic is vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances needed by our body in small amounts to stay healthy. Water, vitamins. Vitamins are nutrients found in food. Our body makes most vitamins. So we must get them from fruits, vegetables, milk, egg, and fish. Other foods. Vitamins are classified into two types: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in fat and are stored in the body. Water soluble vitamins. Let's in most take examples cabbage. Thank you.
Today my college is organic animal farming. Animals welfare has to be emphasized in the if the climate outlet persists, open house is allowed in organic animal farming. Organic animal husbandry has to meet the requirement for the animals development, biological and behavior needs as well as the animal density. Buildings used for keeping animals in them should be built in the interplay can provide natural ventilation and lighting.
My name is I am studying 9th grade. Section is my project name is Uses of Intercropping or Mixed Cropping. I tell about mixed cropping. Mixed cropping is growing two or more crops in a same piece of land. For example, wheat plus gram, wheat plus mustard, groundnut plus sunflower. Not only these examples, we take another two examples of mixed cropping. So it reduces risk and some gives some insurance about the failure of one of the crop. Intercropping system. Intercropping is growing two or more crops in a same field and in different patterns. A few rows of a crop alternate with a few rows of a second crop. Farmers is the backbone of our India. Farmers is backbone of our India. When we forgot the farmers, we forgot about our nation. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself. My name is H. Muhammad Adil. I am from the irrigation. Irrigation is supply water to plants. Irrigation water to deliver water directly to plants. It reduces water evaporation. Irrigation minimizes its growth. This method saves time and due to soil erosion. It delivers water. It delivers nutrients efficiently. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is H. Muhammad Adil. I am from the irrigation. Irrigation is supply water to plants. Irrigation water to deliver water directly to plants. It reduces water evaporation. Irrigation minimizes its growth. This method saves time and due to soil erosion. It delivers water. It delivers nutrients efficiently. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Acid formula of sulfuric acid and nitrogen oxide of SO2 and ammonium causes molecules during the emission of acid harmful to us. Acid plants and animals harmful. Acid and harmful to us, creating sulfuric acid and nitric acid terms include the
modern method of electricity. It is on night mode or day mode. It is useful in street lights, gardens, parking areas,
drip irrigation does the water if directly water delivers water directly then plants and weeds. Irregular water can evaporation. Drip irrigation minimizing weeds and growth.
Jivatas, scatter yourselves. No need for lights.
Fats, vitamins and minerals. Improvement in crop production. Crop variety improvement. Crop production improvement. Crop production management. The crop variety improvement. The useful characteristics such as bacteria, students from the
Hey boys, get up and sit.
from the crops. Use floods in crops is the basic and management. Thank you. When we roll the seeds, when we roll the machine, the source will fell down.
Plants for increasing population by uses of content of alcohol increase and pollution increase more for increasing population and getting more plants and getting more profit to the farmers. We are producing this biofuel. This is completely production population free and producing the plants farmers can profit good. Thank you. This is about my project. Thank you.